This evening is made possible because of our sponsors. Our title sponsor for the evening, Saket Group, is a reputed and a leading name in the developer circle for Kalyan, Dombivli and MMR regions. Not only that, it remains a buyer's top choice. May I request Mr. Saket Kumar Tiwari from Saket Group to come and shed light on the upcoming projects by Saket Group in the Kalyan, Dombivli region. Over to you, sir.
Good evening. Thanks, Uchit. Respected dignitaries, dear developers, and dear viewers. Digital presence is the need of the hour in the current scenario. A strong online presence allows you to build your brand, gain credibility that attracts more customers and which makes your business more readily accessible. Online presence gives you customer an easy access to know you more and your offerings. CREDAI MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit has made this possible for all the developers by being digitally present through mymchi.com. Kalyan Dombivli MMR region is today the most preferred choice of customers where products are available at an affordable price. Major brands have the presence in this region and many are lined up for the presence with new launches. The realty market of this region has shown a positive trend in the current scenario. We are witnessing all this primarily due to an affordable price product, better amenities and connectivity. Kalyan Dombivli is getting upgraded with excellent connectivity, expansion of existing roads, new bridges and nearby infrastructures. Upgraded civic amenities and better facilities is making Kalyan Dombivli most preferred destination by customers. The real estate market of Kalyan Dombivli MMR region is witnessing an year-on-year positive growth and we estimate better price appreciation in years ahead. Longest 21-kilometer flyover from Airoli to Kalyan via Palava. Proposed growth center by MMRDA. Multi-modal corridor from Alibag to Virar. Metro line 5, Thane Bhivandi Kalyan. Metro line 12, Kalyan to Taloja. All are this prospective proposed development of this Kalyan Dombivli MMR region, which would make more customer attract to this region. We from Saket Group, we have a 3 decade of existence in Kalyan. We have presence in real estate and education. We are third generation entrepreneurs. We are coming up with a landmark project in Kalyan and the destination to be. The project is planned after market analysis and research. This landmark project should be the buyer's first choice. Affordable price offering in comparison to the international brands that are tied up with the project makes customer its preferred choice. Connectivity to educational institutions, workplaces, malls, and at a walkable distance from Kalyan railway station makes the project a perfect landmark for home buyers. The project is strategically developed, keeping in mind the proposed infrastructure development of Kalyan Dombivli MMR region. The project is a 6-acre township with 1,000 plus community living, expanse of greenery, smart living homes, and world-class indulgences. 2.25 acres of ground-level recreations, 1.5 acres of podium indulgence, over 1 acre of rooftop sky indulgence, which is offered first of its kind in Kalyan. Parking facility is planned for each units. The project has 4 levels of clubhouse, recreation access to swimming pools, home theater system, senior citizen area, badminton and squash court, gymnasium, yoga zone, musical studio. The project is Indian Green Building Council pre-certified gold under IGBC Green Rating Home System, where we care for the Mother Earth. One can go on and on, but I would like the buyers and the channel partners to first experience it and then agree that what I had shared. I thank CREDAI MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit team for giving me this opportunity to showcase this landmark. I also feel privileged to share this space with all the great minds present here today. With season's greetings, I invite you all at Saket Group's codename Upgrade to Smart Life. Thank you.
Thank you, Saket ji, for sharing your insights. Moving ahead.